Hi everyone, welcome to week 26 of our Rainbow Common Exception words, where we look at tricky words and tricks to help you learn them. Here we go with word number 1 this week. Down at the bottom of the mat, can you find the word therefore? Therefore. There it is in the purple block. Therefore. So, therefore, so what? It tells you why something has happened. Okay, what has happened because something else has happened. There's the word. We definitely have a word within a word here, there. So if you can spell over there, T-H-E-R-E, you can spell therefore. So we've got for as well. Therefore, 2 little tricks to help you learn the word therefore. And the bit you need on the end is the E. I think it's raining, therefore I'll take an umbrella. Our next word is though. Though. It's next to therefore on the mat because they both start with TH. Therefore and though. Even though, even if. So it's suggesting something has happened or something is okay because of something else. Even though they were old, they were very active. No words within a words here, but we do need to know that O-U-G-H can be quite a useful letter thread there to make the O for though. Our third word today is thought. It's really similar to though. Okay, the only difference is the T on the end. Thought. Okay. I have many thoughts in a day. So it's different because of the T. It changes the whole meaning of the word. Let's see which words are in our quiz today. We've got a splat that says so. So, you guessed it, so what? So what's happened? Can you write the word therefore then? Therefore, therefore. Remember, it's one word. How do you spell it? Pause the video if you need more time. Therefore, T-H-E-R-E-F-O-R-E. Therefore, great job if you got it right. Here's number 2. A black shape, lots of speech bubbles. This person is having lots of, you guessed it, thoughts. Thoughts. Can you write the word thought on your pad? Thought. Let's see if you're right. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. Good job if you got it. Here we go with the next one. Got a person. We've got some rain. Do you remember which of our sentences had some rain in? Well done if you said, even though it was raining, the man went for a walk. Though. Can you write though? Here's what it looks like. T-H-O-U-G-H. Though. Good job, guys. Don't forget to keep practicing to get them all right in your spelling test. See you next time.